Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in. Just check the link in the description below. All right. Now, in this video, we're just going to be going through the listing Asterion Expert Advisor, which is specifically built for gold. All right, with XAUUSD being the recommended symbol. So the developer describes it as a multi-indicator confluence system that is designed to require agreement between different momentum, trend, and volatility signals before taking a trade. So the listing is currently free. As you can see, it's a free download, and the version shown here is 1.2 with the latest update dated July 30th, 2026. Now, moving into the main description, Asterion uses a weighted confluence engine based on 7 indicators, including RSI, MACD, ADX, ROC, Bollinger %B, Williams %R, and MFI. So the basic idea is that instead of relying on one signal, the EA gives these indicators weighted bullish or bearish votes and only considers a trade when the combined score reaches the required confluence threshold. So from a trader's perspective, that approach is intended to filter out weaker setups rather than reacting to every individual indicator signal. So the developer also states that the EA reads these indicators from the closed candle whenever a new bar appears. Stop loss and take profits are described as ATR adaptive, with the stop loss based on an ATR multiple and the take profit following the configured reward to risk ratio. There are also several risk controls built into the settings. These include a risk percentage, maximum drawdown limit, maximum lot size, and a hard drawdown kill switch that can disable new entries once the configured drawdown level is exceeded. Another feature worth noting is the spread filter. The developer says this can block entries when spreads widen beyond the configured maximum, which is particularly relevant for trading conditions where execution costs can change significantly. Okay, so the settings also include a trading time frame, along with the various indicator parameters and thresholds. There are additional optimizer related settings, including minimum profit factor, maximum drawdown, minimum trades, and several weights designed to score optimization results. All right, so now according to the developer, this custom optimizer scoring system is intended to reduce curve fitting by looking beyond raw net profit. It considers factors such as equity curve smoothness, profit speed, stability between different parts of the test, drawdown, and capital efficiency. So for the recommended setup, the developer lists XAUUSD on the H1 time frame with a 1-minute OHLC modeling and recommends a low spread ECN or raw account. A VPS is also recommended for 245 or uptime. You know, the marketplace listing includes screenshots showing live chart and backtest information, apparently. Okay, but it doesn't provide enough numerical performance information, you know, for me to independently evaluate the actual results. So I won't just depend only on this. Okay, so I just wanna go through the screenshots a bit, and then we are still gonna do our own backtest okay, on our strategy tester. All right, this looks like set file, okay, in the test across different time frames. This is for H2, this is for M30, this is for H1. All right, so let's head over to our strategy tester now. Let me see how the Asterion EA performed over the past 8 months. So I'm testing the Asterion EA on XAUUSD on H1 time frame over the past roughly 8 months, and I'm using the every tick modeling for a level of accuracy. Okay, so looking at the results from an initial deposit of $10,000, we have a total net profit of $1,024.08. All right, and I can see that the balance drawdown maximal is 7.58%. All right, and the equity drawdown maximal is 10.63%. So this is a little bit manageable. All right, not so great, but it's manageable. Okay, so here we can see the total trades taken. We are 64, out of which 27 were profitable. This is low. The win rate here is 42.19%. Okay, so that is kind of low. And then if we look at the trade history, this EA seems to be the type to hold trades for long, because we can see that this is the hourly time frame H1, and you can see how the trades are held for long, several days. Trade was opened here and closed here after several days. This one again opened here, held for several days and closed, and here we go again, and so on and so forth. Okay, in some cases the trade closed in a day. You can see this case it was within the same day it closed. In this case it was within the same day. All right, but basically the EA seems to be open to trading, I mean holding trades for several days. All right, so the marketplace listing has already basically given us, the fundamentals of how the the EA works, right? And overall, this Asterion EA presents clearly, it presents a clearly defined concept: gold trading based on multi-indicator confluence, combined with ATR-based trade levels and several risk controls. And at the same time, the information we are looking at Okay, sorry about that. So at the same time, the information that we are looking at comes directly from the developers marketplace listing. But in addition to that, we actually had our own, backtest report, and just to, kind of understand the EA's performance, okay, to an extent, okay. But remember that historical backtest results do not guarantee future performance. Live execution, spread, slippage, broker conditions, and changing market conditions can all affect results. All right. So for me, the main takeaway is that the EA gives traders a specific mechanical approach to evaluating gold setups, but anyone considering it should still do their own research and test it thoroughly before making live trading decisions. Okay. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.